Welcome back to Technology Trends. Today we are diving into the future with a detailed look at the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, a mid-range powerhouse packed with standout upgrades from display and battery to performance and camera. Let's explore everything we knew so far. One of the biggest highlights, the Galaxy A57 is rumored to be powered by the Exynos 6080, built on a 4nm process with a new 1 plus 4 plus 3 core architecture. And the performance jump is no joke. Benchmarks show about a 22% boost in multi-core performance compared to its predecessor. What's even more exciting is the Xclipse 550 GPU based on AMD's RDNA 3.5 architecture. It reportedly delivers double the graphics performance, enabling full HD gaming at 60 FPS and even ray tracing support. The Galaxy A57 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED LTPO 3.0 display with an adaptive refresh rate that can drop down to 10 Hz or go up to 120 Hz for smoother visuals. It offers up to 1900 nits of peak brightness, perfect for HDR content in bright daylight. Design-wise, we are looking at a refined build, Gorilla Glass with the splash protection on the back, aluminum frame and IP67 water and dust resistance. The Galaxy A57 packs a 5000 mAh battery with blazing 65W fast charging, reaching full charge in just over 40 minutes. Configuration include up to 12GB RAM and up to 512GB of storage, a generous step up from what we have seen in previous mid-range models. On the connectivity side, except full 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC stereo speakers in even Dolby Atmos and modern ports like USB-C. The camera system also gets a major upgrade. The main shooter is said to be 108 megapixels ISO CELL HM6 sensor, promising higher resolution shots and better low-light performance. Software-wise, the A57 is expected to launch with the Android 16 and One UI 8, bringing advanced AI features like real-time translation, video object erasing, and gesture-guided contextual search. Even more impressive, Samsung is reportedly offering 7 years of software updates. That's flagship level support. So what you think? With all these upgrades, the Exynos 6080 chip, RDNA based GPU, high-end display, 65 charging, massive camera resolution, and lengthy software support, the Galaxy A57 5G looks ready to set a new benchmark in the mid-range category. Would this be your next phone? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you want more deep dives like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.